The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Cook County and Northeast Illinois, DuPage County and Northeast Illinois, Will County the Northeast Illinois, until 1 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles south of Chicago moving at 55 miles per hour. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement to get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie down on the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted to the request of the USA government. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against USA. Nuclear warheads were launched from the Arabian Republic of Egypt and are expected to strike USA within 15 minutes. Due unconfirmed facts about this missile, all residents of the USA should seek out and prepare to take shelter immediately.
تالتة شمال راح تسمع صوتنا والاهل ينادي بلادي بلادي، هتقول تشجيع هيجيك ملايين، احنا الجماهير احنا ملوك الحج.
نحن نقطع من الجماعة الإيطالية هذه حالة طوارئ وطنية تمثل رسالة إيطاليا إلى جمهورية مصر. الرؤوس الاختبار يجب إيطاليا رفع مصر. الرؤوس الحربية الخروج والاستعداد للاحتمال والرحول.
الحتة دي من تالتة يمين في وحوش جايين، كل الزمالك جاي بينادي.
Guys, I don't know, but I'm scared.
Don't worry, Tom, we are in the basement, right, David?
Yes, Paul, don't worry, Tom, you will be safe with us. And look what I got for the EAS.
Oh my gosh, thank you, Paul and David. I should have trusted you.
You're welcome.
Las autoridades civiles han emitido una emergencia de adopción de niños para los siguientes condados de San Juan. El pueblo egipcio se llevó al niño y no sabemos cómo es el pueblo egipcio. Así que si ve al pueblo egipcio secuestrando al niño, llame al 911 de inmediato.
Civil authorities has issued an child adoption emergency for the following counties in San Juan and New Jersey. The Egyptian people took the child. We don't know what the Egyptian people look like. If you see the Egyptian people kidnapping the child, call 911 immediately.
The following message is transmitted of the request of the New Jersey and Michigan Police Department. The child adoption emergency is cancelled. I repeat, the child adoption emergency is cancelled. The police found the child.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Egypt people are in America. The states are Michigan, Pennsylvania, Oklahoma, Florida, Illinois, California, Maine, Minnesota, Hawaii, New Mexico, New York, Louisiana, Indiana, Ohio, Arizona, Alabama, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, North Dakota, and South Dakota. Please seek shelter immediately, before it's too late. The President of the United States will currently deliver us a message.
My fellow Americans, we are in this dangerous situation. The Egypt people are trying to attack to America. Do not panic. Stay calm, we will win, and I know it. Do not give up. We will always win, and we will always be there for you. We won't give up until we do. The United States soldiers and the Egypt soldiers are fighting. We won't give up. We will always win. I repeat, we will always win. That was me message. Bye-bye.
That was the message from the President from the United States. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. The United States won. I repeat, the United States won. Egypt lost. You can exit out of your shelters now. Now we go back to regular programming.
So Tom, how did we win? Please tell me everything.
So as you can see, the USA military won, and I don't know how they all survived.
Okay, thank you for telling me. I would let the United States government know.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Tom. Bye.
Bye.